Hi, this is Michelle Cromer, and this is your Feng Shui question and tip of the week. I got an email from a lovely woman in Santa Fe who was hesitant to buy a house because she walked into a closet, and she was concerned that would block her energy map or her Bagua. Many of you have the same challenge, as do I, as you just saw when I walked into my office. Your energy map square starts when the energy flows out. So for example, I just walked in, I turned, and I'm turning again. So my right hand corner is my love, my left hand corner is my wealth, the middle is health, this is travel, and so forth. In your space, if you walk into a closet or a wall and you turn, that's where you lay down the energy map in the Bagua. What an interesting, great question. Please follow me on Michelle Cromer Feng Shui for more tips, or ask me any questions at michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks, y'all.